Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Cakesworthy. I have my baby girl. Her name is Bella. She is 10 weeks old. She is a pit bull. And she's really active and she loves to play a lot. But sometimes she likes to bite. Hey girl. She likes the camera, I think. So, yeah, I'm going to show you guys. I'm just going to show you guys a little bit about Bella. She is a brown and a white dog, if you can see. Her name is spelled B-E-L-L-E. And she is really active, as you can see right now. She just woke up from a nap, and I took her out to use the bathroom, and then she was whining a lot in her cage, so I took her out, and we're gonna play with her. Stop. Hold on, guys. She's just like a really beautiful dog. Hey, where you going? Where you going, girl? Where you going? No biting. You like the camera? You like the camera, girl? You like the camera? She's like, hey guys. I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world. So, yes, that is all. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Hey, Bella, chill out. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos with me, with my baby girl, with my new girl. Oops, I accidentally sat on her foot by accident because she wouldn't move out the way. Well, I didn't know her foot was right there. And so I sat down, and then her foot was in the way. Hey, girl. So don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos with me and Bella. So, bye, guys. Say bye, Bella. Say bye, girl. Hold up. Bye.